Hey everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Doctor and Forex Trader. A very warm welcome to all of you. A very good evening. As you all know, we regularly trade NAS 100 here and we are trying to pass a $10,000 funded challenge, right? And those who are with me now very well know how I trade, how we used to take trades, and how in between we used to study something important, right? Those who don't know or those who are new here, I'll tell you what we are doing here. We are just trading NAS 100, only a single instrument, and we are trying to pass a funded challenge completely live. All the trading done here is completely live, right? And if you are a new joinee and if you like my analysis, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing such regular live streaming videos very regularly. Okay, so let's get back to the screen without wasting much time. And now on your screen, you will be seeing the chart of NAS 100. We will be making our analysis and we'll be talking in between, right? Yeah, hello, brother. Okay, so first let's make the analysis for the day, then we'll be talking regarding other things. Okay, so those who know very well know how I start making analysis. First we'll be shifting to 1 day time frame. Okay, sorry, first we'll be doing a recap what we did in the last trading session which we did live, right? Yeah, this one was the last live session in which we didn't took the trade, yet everything happened what we planned, but still I was not having the confidence, so I didn't took the trade. Okay, first we thought that it'll shoot down till here, then we are looking for an engulfing candle and then it shooted up, right? Although analysis was great, but we were not having enough confidence, so we skipped this without any FOMO or without thinking much. So first we'll be clearing all the drawings. Now I'll show you the dashboard of our $10,000 funded challenge. This you can see very clearly. Our current balance is $513 up, right? And our target is 7.5%. Okay, so maybe if we have one or two more winning trades, we may hit the target and pass the phase 1 of funded challenge, right? Let's hope for the best. These are all the trades which you can see here, all the profits and losses. Okay, and strategy we are using pure price action, nothing else, right? Nothing complicated, just simple support resistance, that's it. So now let's shift to 1 day time frame and let's make the analysis for the day. So this on your screen you can see the NAS 100 chart on 1 day time frame, and as I always start with making the trend. And what is the trend? Very clearly you can see higher high, higher low, and one more higher high. That means uptrend. Okay, now shift to 4 hour time frame. Here again what you can see, majorly you can see it's a bullish thing. Okay, but now here you can see maybe it is forming another higher high, or it may fall down from here and form a lower low, right? So we can't clearly see what is happening, yet I'll think of it as an uptrend because it may be a higher low and then it may shoot up for another higher high, right? Now let's shift to 1 hour time frame. If you are new, please hit the like button. If you are old, please hit the like button. Each one of your like matters for sure. That encourages me to bring more such sessions, right? So this is 1 hour time frame on your screens, right? So again what you can see, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. But now again same thing that was on 4 hour. We are not very much conclusive, right? I don't think in such deep right? First we will be just following all the steps, then we will think about these things. Okay, so it may be a starting of a lower high, okay, like this, or it may be just forming for another high, not very much clear. But what at current you can say is it is going to form another higher high and it will follow the trend, right? Now our important time frame, that is 15 minutes, and we will be marking few levels. Clear? So you mark your levels, then I'll mark mine, then match with me whether you are able to match with me or not. I'm giving you 30 seconds. Mark your levels, then I'll be marking mine. Okay, so now I'll be marking my levels. So one level for me is this. Okay, another for sure is this. It has formed a double top here. So if it breaks now this time, it will shoot up. Okay, and let's look for one more level. One is this one. Clear? Now shift to 5 minutes time frame. Just mark few minor, one or two minor levels on 5 minutes time frame. I can see is this one. Kind of a zone. Okay, I think one is sufficient. Still you can mark this also. Yeah, so now let's decide. Okay, what we'll decide, let's make ideas for the day. One is very simple, a rejection from this point, then we will be looking for this target, and criteria for rejection is a bearish engulfing candle, and at least it should give us a 1:1.5 trade. First idea for the day. Second, breakout, a retest, then these two targets 1 and 2. Clear? This is the bullish idea. Simple. Third, straight fall down from here, it will be a double bottom sort of thing, then a retest, and then targets this. Clear? Or either not a double bottom but a bullish engulfing candle will also be a buy signal. Clear? So these two, and this is bullish, bearish. Now simple rejection with a bearish engulfing candle, then this will be a trade. So currently I think these much of ideas are sufficient, and now the main thing starts. What? Tell me in comment section now what starts. The main thing of trading, on what your complete trading depends. Don't try to predict the market, just react to market what it is doing at the point. You are not an astrologer, you are a trader. Whatever market is giving you, grab with both the hands, right? That should be your psychology. You should not predict that now it will go this or that. No. So what starts now? Tell me in comment section. I want it to be an interactive session. If you will interact, then I'll interact, and I'll try to teach you much more important things for sure. Let's see Till then, our analysis which we shared on Instagram, I think 30 minutes, yeah, 30 minutes on it was shared. See, all the targets are hit. If you can see at this point, right, till here was no entry, but then it was a breakout, it was a proper retest, this was an engulfing candle and nice target, right? TP1 was straight away hit, right? After that, you have to follow the rules. When one target is hit, you can place the stop loss at the cost such that you are not at loss. Okay. Just wait for a second. I had an important call. Yes. So let's see how does it behaves. Then we will react, right? So I was asking now what we'll do. Main thing that is waiting patiently without any aggressive approach, without trying to forcibly taking any trade. Okay, without developing any FOMO, without developing any anxiety, just simply seeing what is market doing. If it does whatever we want, then we will react to it, otherwise we will leave the screen quietly, right? Let's make sure we don't have a news event. So today is 15 December, there are many news events. At 8:15 we have one. Okay, let's see. No worries. If we take trades in control, then it's no issue. So if next candle is a red candle and it closes below this, then a short entry for this target. Clear? In fact, we can look for this target up to this wick, because here price will react for sure because it has reacted once, right? So let's see what happens. Ask anything if you want to ask in the comments chat section, and if you want to study any topic, you can tell me. I'll try to teach it if it's in my range for sure. You can ask whatever you want, right? Always try to keep your charts neat and clean, okay? Don't try to think, complicate things. Adding indicators, this, that. No use. Simple horizontal line is enough for you to trade profitably. because 95% role is of psychology, as I keep on saying it repeatedly. And once I told you why I am always repeating things, such that these things become your second nature, right? When you have habit of listening the same thing again and again, again and again, it sets in your mind. Your thoughts start to revolve around that thought, right? That's why I keep on saying repeated things. Well, only there are few things, if you keep that in mind and you follow, you can become a good trader, right? That's why I keep on repeating things. There was something medical emergency in my family. That's why I was not able to, host previous 1 or 2 days live sessions. All the possibilities are still open, right? Except this. So you can delete this one because now this possibility is gone. So it is breaking out this level. We'll be waiting for a retest sort of thing. Then we may look for these targets, right? Before that, we are not interested. Not even 1%. Just keep waiting patiently. As there is news at 8:15, so almost half an hour before we may have a shoot up also. Shoot down, shoot up, whatever. So until and unless we have 100% sure analysis, we will not be taking the trade. Okay. As currently we are lying in the middle, we don't have any clear analysis, so just stay away from the market. Just be a viewer. Don't try to enter any forcible trade. Okay. So see, it is breaking out, right? So now you have to wait for a retest, or if it goes directly, then wait for a bearish engulfing to take a down trade. And if both the possibilities doesn't happen, then wait for a breakout and a retest, then for this entry, right? All the scenarios are in our hand. Clear? Just let market do what it wants, and then think whether what market is doing is fitting in your criteria for the entry or not. If yes, you are 100% welcome. If no, just stay away. And any new viewer, don't think that my session will be interesting or you will be having a good editing or anything like that, right? I'm here to do just raw trading. I don't want to waste time on these foolish things. My chart should be clear and my voice should be clear. Rest everything doesn't matter, okay? What I am teaching, what I am showing, that matters. So I don't want to waste much time on these things. Just see the quality of trading and the mindset. Still, we don't have nothing to do, right? Except waiting, nothing else. It is going straight up. Maybe it may go straight up and hit the target. You never know. Sometimes it's really tiring after this hectic duty at the hospital. Taking this live session, it becomes extremely tiring. But you have to, prepare your body and your mind like that. Your diet should be controlled so that you are energetic whole day. Still, some days are, off. Some days when you are not online. But yeah, when your dreams are big, you have to work hard. You have to do what others are not doing. So, still, we don't have any clear idea. You can see either if it starts to take a retest here, then we may be looking, but currently nothing. Just waiting, waiting, and waiting. And 50% of the trading days are like this only when you don't have anything to do. That is also the art to mastery, right? You should master this sitting this at the screen idly without even thinking to trade. Let me ask you something. Okay, try to answer what I am asking. Let me think of something good. This is the impact of news, right? This is a retest. Let's see what happens. So I was asking you what is the name of this candle. So this sudden red candle is the impact of news. I told you. Just wait and watch. Let there be any news. If we have a good, opportunity according to our analysis, we will be taking the trade. So this is a retest of this path, right? Sorry, this path. Let's see how does it behaves. So tell me what is the name of this candle. Let's test your trading knowledge. If you are new to the session, please hit the like button. So at news time also, most probably try to stay away from market. But still, if you have confidence that you are doing price action trading, then you should, don't not fear of the news. If you have entry in your range, then you should take it. Like if our entry forms after such a big red candle, then there's no use, right? But if you are getting a normal candle even after the news, then just take your entry according to the analysis. Clear? See, impact of the news, huge impact. No one knows what is the name of this candle. Just ignore this arrow. So this is known as bearish doji. Okay. Doji. I may have looked for a sell position, but one point is this candle is too big. Second point is my target was this only, so there is nothing left to touch, right? That's why I'm not interested for any sell position now. So now this trade idea is also finished. If this red candle is a green candle and it closes above this, then I'll be looking for buy entry. Very, very sure. Because this is what we are trying to take till now. So if this is our green candle on closing, be it big like this also, still I'll be looking for the entry to the buy side. Clear? So let's keep our MT5 ready. We may need to open a position, and being a news event we will be little cautious and we'll be opening the trade with 0.12 lot only. Clear? Now just shift to the chart and just wait and watch whatever happens. If this is a red candle, sorry, green candle, and it closes above this red candle, then we will be interested for a buy position. You shouldn't have any anxiety. If this candle becomes so big, then there's no point. But if it is in this range, somewhat near here also, you may look for an entry. Clear? But being a news event, it may shoot up directly and maybe we don't have any entry opportunity also. Everything is possible. So your work is to wait and watch. Let's see on 3 minutes time frame. Yeah, if you see on this 3 minutes, you can see a proper entry and proper everything, but rules are rules. We'll be looking only and only on 5 minutes time frame. You should never shift time frames in between, right? So if we get an entry, suppose if this candle closes anywhere equal to this or above this, look, open a buy position. So this is the benefit of making the pre-analysis which we had made. Make all 3-4 ideas and then wait, but whichever one happens, just go accordingly. And you all know our bias was also bullish, so that's also one more confluence for us. So what are the all confluences today? If we take an entry, one, support level, second, breakout and retest, right? This is only when if we took an entry, otherwise nothing. But these are the criteria which I am writing. If we take an entry, these will be followed. Clear? Third, bullish engulfing candle. Okay. Fourth bias was bullish. Okay. Tell me if anything is left. So all these are, confluences that are in favor of our trade. Can you see anything against us? I don't think so. And if still our trade goes wrong, then it's not in our hands. But currently we are not having any entry. Still, I am saying if after this candle we have another green that closes anywhere in this range, then also we'll be looking for a buy trade. Clear? And if it closes above, then we'll look. Open MT5 and just see here, right? Keep on seeing this point. If this candle closes above, open the position. I'll be opening it, sorry. So it failed to close above. Clear? So we haven't opened the position right now. Now we'll be waiting more. If this candle closes anywhere above this, anywhere, you are free to take the entry. Clear? But now I am not interested in the sell side entry because I am not seeing any clear cut, analysis right now. When you will learn, to be calm and patient and not think of any missing opportunity, you will, become a great trader. Like right now, we know that we may get a green candle directly hitting the target. It's quite possible right now also. And we may not get the opportunity even after sitting for this long. But confirmations are must to protect the losses. Clear? So I told you very clearly, anywhere in this between we may look for a buy entry and we'll be a little extra cautious. But as all the points are in our favor, we may look for a good trade, even a 1:2. Let's see whether we will get the opportunity or not. If this candle becomes so big, even hits this, then you should have to think and skip this, right? And if it's in between this point, then it's 100% good trade. So just keep waiting. Let market do what it is doing, then we will do what we want to do. Whenever you feel anxiety or anything, just take 2 to 3 deep breaths and think why I am here. This one trade is nothing for me. Okay? And you will be feeling very much calm. Whenever FOMO kicks in or anything like that, like now you can say that everything is good, it may shoot up directly. So at that time, you have to calm yourself and stop yourself from doing any foolish thing. Clear? Like in initial days, at such a engulfing great candle, I may take entry even before closing, and that was all become a trap, right? So rules are rules. Always follow them. Market gives you, sufficient amount of time to take any entry. Always. Whenever it is, becoming ready for any rally or any breakout or any fall down, it gives you sufficient time to ride that. Don't think that it's in hurry and it will leave you. No. If you are a genuine trader and if you follow your rules, you have good analysis and you have good control on your mind, market gives you sufficient time to take the entry. Clear? So like this, if this candle closes above this, then I am interested for opening the buying position. Right now I am just waiting, and this will be somewhere stop loss 45 points. I will take it. At least I'll looking for 1 is to 1.5, right? Still I am interested. Clear? Anywhere at this point I am interested. Still I am interested. Let's open the MT5 and we will place now buy position as it is going to close above now. So we have opened the buy position now. You can see. Clear? This is our buy position. Just place the stop loss at 16,568. Sorry. Modify this. 16,568 is our stop loss. One 16,568, or little low you can place 16,562. Clear? So we have placed the stop loss, we have followed all the rules, and now we have entered the ride, right? Anywhere, I think near this we have, let's see, this point is the buy position. Let's mark this on our trading view. Yeah, almost this point, right? And I'll be placing the stop loss below this, and let's make this trade 1 is to 1.5 at least. Now our work is to just wait and watch. Move this to this point 16,556. See, you can see very clearly I have placed the stop loss, right? Now we'll be placing the target. So you can calculate our difference between the entry price and stop loss. It is almost 60 points, and we have to take 1 is to 1.5 trades. So target is 90 points. 90 points from our entry. So 617 is the entry price. So it will be 16,707 our target. That will become a 1 is to 1.5 trade. 16,707. Clear? So you can see, let me show you. This is our target now. So we have placed the stop loss, we have placed the target, our entry is done. Now just wait and watch. Right? Let's hope we may hit the target today and may reach very close to clearing this phase 1 of challenge completely live. I hope you are satisfied with the way I am showing things. I am not hiding anything. Everything is crystal clear in front of you. Right? People may be thinking why I haven't looked this for target. No, because bias is bullish. I am expecting this to something consolidate and then break this, right? That's why I am looking for this target. If I would be taking this as a target, then it would be a very low risk reward trade and there was no point of taking this, right? So just focus on now seeing the trading view. Our work is done. We have waited very patiently and we have executed very correctly and we have followed all the rules, proper risk reward management, and now we are all set for booking the stop loss or target. Nothing in between. So currently we are 35 $7 profit. But yeah, we have to just wait and watch for the target or the stop loss. So according to me, what is happening now is retest of this level, right? This was a level, you can see it was again and again tested. So maybe it's a breakout and it's retest of this level. But as you all know, till we book stop loss or profit, you can't say anything, right? You can never predict anything. Your work is to properly follow all the rules and just take the trade. Results are never in your hand. So this is very live trade, you can see. I am not hiding anything. Currently we are in a loss. So as I told you, either a stop loss or a target, nothing in between. Clear? So currently we are having our 4 days winning streak going on. Let's see, will it continue or will it fail? I think we'll hit the target today because it's a good analysis. Still all the results are possible. If you are new to the channel, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and bell icon so that you know whenever I update a new live session. For sure, you will be learning many more new things from this. And if you be with me for a few months, you will learn how to trade profitably. You can very clearly see this is our dashboard, and these are all the trades till now we have took. Our win rate is 66%, right? And our minimum, risk reward is 1 is to 1.5. Our job is to follow all the rules and don't have any regret after taking the trade. Like right now, even if it's stop loss, I don't have any regret because I followed all my rules, right? So that should be your mindset, and you should not lose your mind after a winning trade or a losing trade. As you all know, there will be days of losing, there will be days of winning. And in this challenge also we had four consecutive losses also, right? Still we are $519 up. So everything is possible in this market. Never lose your mind. Your job is to just follow the rules and do your best, and let's leave everything aside. Results are never in your hands, be it any trading, be it any work, be it any competitive exam, or be it anything else. Results are never in your hands. Whenever I used to give competitive exams, like I am a doctor, so I have given a lot of competitive exams like NEET PG, NEET UG. The last day before exam, my father used to ask me, "Are you satisfied with your preparation?" When my answer is no, that means something is lacking from my side. Okay, that means I have not given 100%. But when my answer is confident, yes, that yes, I am satisfied, I have done the best possible which I can do, right? And now results are not in my hand. That means you have given your 100% that time. And now results are not in your hand and nothing is in your hand. What was in your hand was that preparation, how you did. And you are satisfied with your preparation, that means it's done from your side. Now leave everything on that ultimate power or God, whatever you say, and just keep moving forward in life. So that should be your mindset right now, or in any trade. Like we, wrote all the rules. We wrote all the rules here, that had we follow all the rules, yes, we followed all the rules. Is this the best entry possible right now? Yes, is this is the best entry possible right now. So do you have any regrets? No, I don't have any regrets. So if it is stop loss, is it your mistake? No, it's not my mistake. That should be your mindset, right? If this hit target, then I'll show you something. You'll be, amazed by seeing that thing. First, let's see what this trade does. So this is how you can take a trade even after or before a news event also, if you are in full control. Clear? Just place your stop losses in advance only, such that there is no, harm to your account. It doesn't get it blow. Even if there is a massive news suddenly, your orders are pre-placed. And I keep on repeatedly saying everyone is a beginner sometimes. Someday, once everyone was a beginner. Earlier, I did in one account, I did a mistake. I tried to trade the news event NFP, and I placed 3 4 pending orders of buy and sell, and within a fraction of seconds, my account was blown when the news event came. I don't know, no orders were, no stop losses worked, nothing was worked. Everything just blew up. Even, if my direction was right of predicting, but orders were such that they happened in such a fast span, in a fraction of second, everything was vanished. I blew up a $10,000 funded account in just a fraction of seconds, and that day I decided I will not do such blunder ever again. So every, advanced trader was a beginner someday, and he or she has did same mistakes which you are doing now. But if someone learns from other people experience, then nothing is great than that. So whenever you will lose your mind, whenever, market will hurt you for sure. And if your mind is in control all of the time, you will become the nicest of the trader on this planet to ever exist. So everything is just the game of this mind. If you can control it, you can do very well. So what I'll do now after this candle closure is I'll close this camera. The screen will be running, and as I want every profit and everything should be, taken live. I don't want to hide anything behind the curtains. So the screen will be running and the profits or this chart will be continuously streaming. I'll update in between, but I have to do some important work. So I'll keep this screen running, turning the camera off after this 5 minutes candle. And whenever we hit the target or stop loss, I'll update it. So I'll be turning the camera off now and we'll be waiting for whatever happens. The screen of this chart will be running, and whenever we hit the target or stop loss, we'll close this session, or half an hour after I'll close it. Then whatever be the result, I'll update tomorrow or on the Telegram for sure. Right? Let's see what happens. Every result is possible currently. Hey, I have turned off the voice, brother. The stream and the analysis for the day is over. Now we are waiting for the trade to hit the target or stop loss, right? You can watch the session from starting to learn what we did today. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me. So right now this is the trade which we have took, and this is the current position. Okay. Now we are waiting for either a target or stop loss. Just set off my rules. No hard and fast thing. Sometimes I take 1 is to 2 also, but minimum 1 is to 1.5, right? This is the first time I am using this funding frontier. Okay, and in TFT no issues. I told you something in previous session that you should not be fascinated by these things. My money or anyone else or any influencers, what you have to do for that? My money will not be working for you or anything like that. So never get fascinated by these things and don't ask these type of questions or personal questions. And you should not be fascinated. I am not just scolding or anything. I'm just giving you genuine advice. Try to make yourself such a nature that you are not influenced by other people's money, right? Learn the skills what they are offering to you. Still, don't worry, we'll be showing payouts for sure, but you should not be fascinated by these things. This is a wrong mindset. I was not speaking, brother. I told that I am leaving this session, just running the screens on so that live progress is seen, right? Stream for today is over. Prop form I'm using is Funding Frontier. See this one? Funding Frontier. This is my first time for using this prop firm. I'm making it clear. And if we are able to pass this challenge, I'll show you all the payouts from this prop firm for sure live. Okay? We'll be testing it live whether we'll get a payout or not. But for that, first we have to clear this. Okay? So for today, this trade is running right now. This is our current profits, $64 approx. But as I say, until the target is hit, money is never yours, right? Yeah, it's a two-phase challenge, brother. Currently, we are on phase 1. If you haven't watched the progress, you can watch this stream for starting. You will see the progress currently we are at. Okay. This is the trading history. All the trades you can see here. From this, it was the starting 139, 143, 71, then 4 losing trades. Then we had 3 winning trades, and now today again we have running the 4th trade. So now it has hit this level, and I know it will be taking or consolidating around this level for some time. Then we have to wait patiently, either we'll hit this target or not. Maybe it may fall down from here, it's quite possible. Okay. My MBBS is done, brother. I am currently an orthopedic surgeon. In fact, I am pursuing my post graduation right now. Thanks a lot. You can watch previous sessions, you will get to learn a lot of things and you will get to know what we are doing here. Okay? See how beautifully it touched the first target and it is now rejecting from this point. But what we will do now is just wait and watch. We are assuming that today is a good bullish momentum and we will break this resistance, and we'll hit our target. But anything is possible. Okay? That's why people keep on saying that even simple horizontal lines are enough to be a good trader. You can see how just exactly this wick has touched this level, right? This is the power of support and resistance. Please don't ask such personal questions on this stream. I would request you. You can ask me whatever you want to ask regarding trading or funded challenge or anything else, but don't ask personal questions. When I'll feel comfortable, I'll reveal the identity for sure. But currently, just focus on my trading and my trading mindset. Don't think of anything else. I'm here to teach trading, to show what real trading is. Don't expect anything interesting or like this. You will be getting lot of excitement here or this or that. Nothing. You will be getting complete raw trading, what real trading is. Like this, waiting patiently. I'm not posting here scalping or anything else such that everything is happening in seconds and just the trader himself or herself is taking the trade. The viewers are not able to see what is happening or this. I'm giving sufficient time for analysis. I'm taking all of you with me in drawing the analysis, in making the analysis, and I'm giving proper time that now we will take entry, this, that. I'm explaining everything in complete detail, right? So that you get the essence of what real trading is. I'm waiting patiently with you all, not doing any, you know, anything that can lead to any potential loss. Being extra careful. Learn these things from me, right? So now I'll be turning the mic off. Any new viewer, please watch the session from starting to know things what I taught today, right? And this stream will be streaming till we hit this target or stop loss or for 2 hours, right? Like 1 hour 40 minutes has passed, 20 minutes more. If in that meantime we hit the target or stop loss, then that's good. Otherwise, we'll close this stream and we'll update the results on Telegram and tomorrow. So as this is now a risk trade, because target is hit, if we consider it in the terms of support or resistance, but it is our rule that we will look for 1 is to 1.5, and I am feeling it to be a good bullish momentum, right? So now what I'll be do is I'll be covering a little stop loss right now. Okay, I'll be shifting the stop loss to this point, right? Because if it comes down to this, that means the trade has failed, right? One possibility is that we may book it here, but as our rule says that we should follow the target or stop loss. Okay, so one option is we can shift the stop loss to this point, but what I feel is sometime it comes and takes the liquidation sweep, so I don't want to place a tight stop loss. So I'll be placing it at this point such that it will also lower the risk a little. Okay, so if you see this, I'll place this stop loss at this point, so it is almost 516,570. Okay, so I'll be modifying the stop loss to 16,570. Like this, you have to always manage your risk and do. See, now we have placed it exactly below this. Clear? We have almost, I think, covered $10-20 of loss approx. And now we'll wait for this. And if market forms one higher high and higher low now and then breaks again, then I'll shift to stop loss this below this. Got it? That means, let me explain this on chart. Suppose it heads like this and then forms one more higher low and then breaks again, then I'll shift the stop loss to this point, because it will be a two higher lows buffer. Clear? So now we have shifted the stop loss to this point. Okay, so here you can see today's trade is currently running. It's showing almost $70 here. If we see this balance, it is 10,584. Our target is $750. Clear? Maybe we can achieve approx 10,650 today. Let's see. So I think now we should close this stream, because it will be a long stream then. No point of making a 3-4 hour long video so that no one can see afterwards. The trade is running from here. I'll update the result on Telegram, right? And tomorrow is the holiday for session. So on Monday I'll update. And one thing I'll tell you, if market closes tonight without hitting the stop loss or target, then I'll close the trade before closing of the market. I'm making it clear right now so that later you don't think that I have done something unusual, because I don't want to keep a trade open over a weekend, right? We may have any news in weekend and market may open something disbalanced. So my rule is I never extend a intraday trade over a weekend, right? Then I'm making it clear that be at whatever position, I'll close 15-20 minutes or half an hour before the market closing today, if till then we haven't hit the target or stop loss, right? So now I think we should close this stream. Okay, so have a good night. Take care. Your host, your friend, Dr. D.